How to password protect a folder in Windows 11 without installing anything. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go to the folder that you want to password protect. So once you open the folder, right click on it, click on New, and then select Text Document. So you can name it whatever you want, and then go ahead and open it. So you'll need to write a code here, and the code has already been written. So open your browser, and then go to this website right here, and you'll see this code. So copy this code, come back to your notepad, and then paste the code. Now look for the section If Not Pass, and you'll see your password right here. So this is a password to unlock your folder. You can click on it and rename it to whatever you want your password to be. Make sure there is a space before and after your password. Once you've set your password, click on File, click on Save As. Make sure you're saving it inside the folder that you want to password protect. Now you'll need to change this file into a batch file. So click on it and then type .bat, and where it says Save as Type, click on this arrow and then select All Files and then click on Save. So batch file is an executable file. Double click on password.bat and it will create a folder that is password protected. So all the contents that you have inside this new folder, go ahead and copy it and then paste it inside of this folder right here, the one that has just been created. Once you put everything inside this private folder, double click on password.bat once more. So it says, are you sure you want to lock this folder? Type capital Y and then click on enter. So once you do this, the folder will be hidden, and when they open the new folder, they won't be able to see the contents in the folder that you have just hidden. Now for you to open the folder, double click on password.bat, enter your password to unlock your secure folder, and then click on enter. Now you can see that the folder has been unhidden, and you can click on it to access the contents to the folder. Now once you access the folder, make sure to hide it again before closing out of it. So double click on password.bat, type capital Y, and then click enter. So now the folder will be hidden again. So this is how to password protect a folder in Windows 11 without installing anything. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.